देश की एजुकेशन सिस्टम को खराब मत करो, शर्म करो, नीट का एग्जाम दोबारा कराओ। को पूछना पड़ेगा कि ये कौन से एमबीबीएस बैच का डॉक्टर है, ये कौन से एमडी बैच का डॉक्टर है। आपको डर लगेगा?
देखिए, ये तो होना ही है। नीट का आवाज उठाना हमारा धर्म और फर्ज बनती है। लाखों लोग बच्चे नाश हो गए, माँ बाप मेहनत उनके पैसे सर्वनाश हो गए, तो और ना आगे जा सक रहे ना पीछे हट सक रहे, तो क्या करें इन बच्चों को? तो आवाज तो यहाँ उठाने के लिए तो हमें चुने गए हैं।
Even the LKG exams was considered to be has more credibility than this. The government's involvement in this, which is not at all neat and clean, in this NEET exam row. So we can think one. This is the most heinous crime a government can do against the future of this country, to the youngsters of this country. No, this is not something like we appointing Jai Shah into the BCCI. This is something else. This is done on the basis of merit. You cannot leak these question papers because those people who come out of these exams are considered to be our future doctors, engineers or whatever. So you leak the question paper, you ensure that those people who are politically close to you or who bribe you is coming into the system means that is a very heinous crime that is done to the future of this nation. And one more thing, the minister is not taking responsibility. Nobody is stepping down. They are just watching the game from the gallery. Even the inquiry is declared now is just because of the pressures of the family, the political parties, leaders including Rahul Gandhi. The government themselves want nothing to come out of this. They are playing, they are seeing things from the gallery.